Hi guys, Currency Games here with another video. Today we are doing our weekly outlook for the week coming. This week's going to be NFP week, so it's a week where we're not going to push or force setups, and we have to be real careful of not getting caught in high resistance liquidity zones and not getting caught out by search and destroy profiles. And the best way to do that is to make sure that we pick our setups quite wisely. We stay on the higher time frames, okay? And if we do trade, you know, we're not holding it for dear life, and we're actually taking trades based on our actual trading model. So let's go into it, starting with Eurusd. Now, Eurusd in the weekly, as you can see, we've come into this weekly block level here. I wouldn't say we've rejected it that much, but we have seen a bit of reaction of the body of this candle, and we are right now basically just below 50% of this massive wick here on the weekly time frame. There's not too much in the weekly here that I'm focused on, so going on to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this is where things get a bit funny, because as you can see, daily structure here is trending bearish as of right now, but right now we are also in 68%, 62% of the retracement down from this low to this high. So technically we are in a discounted level now. Because we have come into this order block and we are discounted level, we are in an area where I would say we're in a bit of high resistance, because yeah, structure is looking bearish, but we are also seeing some bullish action in this area taking place as we react off this order block. And then going on to the H12 as well, as you can see, this order block here has also held to push price higher. So for me personally, I need to see if and how we react of this level right here, which is the H12 OB. Okay, when we come to this level, I want to see if the H4 rejects and breaks structure, or if we continue and form some sort of bullish structure on the H12 and daily time frame, possibly breaking this high here and then also breaking this high here. However, if we do react off this and form bearish price action, we can assume that this low here can get taken out, this low here can get taken out. So really and truly, this order block level here is what will do the talking for this week. I need to see how we react to this level. Okay, it's pretty much it. Going on to the H4 again, the H4 structure is technically short-term bullish at the moment, but again, we still have this high we need to watch out for, and we also have this H4 order block here, which is also the H12 order block that we need to see how price reacts in that area. Okay, pretty simple for USD. Probably won't get many trades at the start of the week, purely because I need to see how this H12 order block holds to go into the Monday, Tuesday. Okay, Eurgbp is kind of a similar story. Okay, again, we are still closing above the mean threshold of this weekly order block. Okay, going on to the daily time frame, again, the daily had broken structure here, creating this order block. But also, if we go down to the H12, we also have a little value gap here, which we can expect price to get drawn into. Okay, now the issue I'm having is, as you can see, this daily order block level held here. Now ideally, if the weekly was still bullish, you do want to see this block get broken past, but considering it's held here, we could look for a very short scalp towards this H12 value gap, and this H12 value gap here could be our draw for the start of the week. Okay, so I am seeing price reach down into this, but this will be a very short scalp. Gone into the H4, you can see the H4, it would also be breaking down into a discounted area as well. And we also have a H4 order block here, and within that H4 order block there, we also have a nice and clean H1 structure to provide the confidence for our short into this H12 fair value gap down here. Okay, so when we do reach this level, it will be nice to see some nice market structure breakdown in the M15 and the M5 to prove our point for it to go bearish. But again, I'm not going to force setups here. If it's not as clean as it could come, I'm not going to take it, mainly because, as you can see, we are kind of consolidating at the moment. Like in this area here, we have kind of moved sideways for quite a bit of time. And also, again, we still have that weekly block that is holding the mean threshold to see possible bullish prices. So this week, I don't think it's going to be the easiest week looking at it right now. I'll be honest with you. I don't have the most accuracy on the on analysis right now, purely because of the way the daily and the H12 is looking. But on Eurgbp, I'm seeing a possible drawdown to this fair value gap down here, and that is something I would be interested in taking if we do get structure to go bearish. Okay, so we could possibly see a move into this level and then a move down there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on Eurgbp going to the start of the week, most likely. Okay, but anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and we'll be back again most likely on Tuesday for another daily vlog.